Alright, so there's a couple stocks on at least my radar this morning. There's AMD, some consolidated data, moving averages are tight. The 5-minute, we got a rising 20, and it looks like there's a couple dollar gap, which puts it about 215.65. Starting around here. Not a crazy large gap, but we'll see what direction she starts off with. CRWV similar. But CRWV's starting just a little bit lower. 94, so right around here. So if she puts in an event and takes out all this, that's going into the high of yesterday. So we might need to be careful going long, or we may not see a super long follow through. PLTR, excuse me, opening up almost where she stopped yesterday. It's a SPY and consolidation mode, opening up a couple dollars higher, but we're so close to resistance, or but we're going to be off here. Let's just see what happens. Practicing some patience. SPY's coming off the. It's looking good. So here we go. Now there we got some support down here for the moment, but let's just see how should we play out. Looks like we're trading into the low of day yesterday, which we're on a downtrend on the. But these big red bars usually produce. What's the distance on that? Not too bad. We're gonna jump in. Let's see. CRWV's got a $3. We'll jump in 10 shares. And let's manage. We'll manage 2 stocks this morning. CRWV has room. PLTR is getting me on a pullback. CRWV's doing the same thing. I have room for max loss per trade to put it up here. For a stop out. Come on. We're going to get past this big body. I'm going to do an ad. Trying to trust our power bars. Oh, PLTR. Oh, come on. I'm going to pause the video for momentarily. And we are back. Alright. I am going to have to stop out. Possibly. we get past 136. Alright. So we got a recent, technically a green power bar now in a positive direction, but 15-minute tail bar. Might have, this could be grounds for reversing the trade. Check on CRWV real quick. Select CRWV. Do its thing second time. Looks like it's taken a while to develop. Trap zone down there. Got some indecision here. Definitely some resistance, but try to keep them on both of these. I'm not liking the 15-minute CRWV tail bar, but there's still resistance. I believe PLTR is going to go long. Got a tail bar, but we're still not fully past that resistance. Let's see here on the 5. Zoom out a little bit. We do have some space up to head towards the 200, but we can catch another power bar. Red can look to add to the red position. Yep, CRWV's definitely hitting. We're hitting resistance. Yesterday's data. I went in small with CRWV, but so I have a little bit of room. Let's go. Let's take this 5 minute. If we take this green bar out, possibility of an add, but we're still looking up, going up right now. Yep. I gotta get out of this. Yeah. Fortunately, CRWV is, unless we can catch another. Got tail bars. That hit my max loss per trade, so unfortunately trading plan tells me to get out. Trying to really stick to it. In theory, I probably should have got out right above this event, because this wasn't as tight as that. Could be something to revise. Gonna add the PLTR. We got topping tails. There we go. Let's go, let's go. Give us a run. Let's let it play out. CRWV's taken off. Now there's a power bar breaking out of, and usually, but we started from down here. Yesterday's high of day. Another tough, choppy day for me. There she goes. I'll hold on to it. I was gonna add, but let's get a run first. I know there's been some buyers here earlier, but we're looking for a profit take. I'll do a little bit more than half. Get it up there a little bit. Starting to look like I should have taken some partial profit there, but she was humming. This is not going my way this morning. We definitely it's alright. It's just go. What's the core weave? Got a nice run. There's a color change probably. Okay, topping tail. Let's do an add after this topping tail. Set profit take. Let's go. Let's check on core weave. Oh, look at that. Third crack at it. Breaking the ice. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. Take some partial profit down here because that's what everyone else did earlier, but we should get a breakthrough now. Possibly. That's about a let's go, let's go. Take another partial here. Let's go. Third, fourth time's a charm. Come on. Come on. Give her room to wiggle. Get past it. Get past it. Get past it. I know there's a lot of buyers here, but what's the institutions doing? Let's go. Let's go. There we go. Take profit here, right? Buy low a day. We got 10 left. I'm sorry, 15 left. Definitely a lot of places here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's back it up. Let's get down here. But we are getting extended from our moving averages, even being down in here. So let's get down here a little bit further. Another 10 cents. Where's our 8? Put the 8 up there. 8's back here, but we're pretty far from the 8. But see the 5, that's a pretty solid bar in the 5. Problem is break even's halfway up, and this may be our I'm gonna have to get out right here. Yeah, that's a tail bar for me. Out. 5 left. I should probably stop trading with 5s. opportunity. Looks like it. Add opportunity, flowing down. There we go. Go, go, go. I just added 10 shares back. There we go. Get us down here. Let's go. New low, new low, new low. This really. Ay, ay, ay. Unfortunately, this one is. Let's go down, down. Let's go. You're gonna get fired. You're gonna get fired. You're gonna get fired. Yep, you're getting fired. God bless it. Let's go. Fired, fired. God bless. Yep, I shouldn't have probably flirted too much with this down here, but yep. I'll fancy that. Look where CRWV is. Yeah, definitely a rough day it seems like, but I know there's better ways to read it. Possibly, I think this Palantir went better than it could have. There's a topping tail coming from the 200. I know there's resistance down there, but that's a good add opportunity there. Or sorry, re-entry. Oh, she shot down. Dang. I got a late fill. Yep, definitely late. Holy moly. Now she decides to go. Just have to wait it out a little bit. I know now I'm trading small ball. Matter of fact, we got 1, 2. Here's basically the move. Pull back to the 20. This. We should get another bar out of this to punch through, but it's not looking like it on the 5. everything still looks. I'll take a little bit more than half. Come on. Yep, let's take more than half. Didn't even get 20 cents. Got a late fill, that's okay. I'm out. I'm bouncing off of yesterday's low. We'll have to revisit this morning. CRWV definitely reversed on us. This could have been an opportunity for a reverse trade, but I didn't like this data right here to take it down here, but maybe that's boom, two topping tails up here on the 5. That's a huge topping tail up to 15. Let's see, what would be a risk here? 35. That's a $2 risk. If you jump on this trade here. But today seems to be choppy. I'm not trading anymore this morning. Alright. Hope we're all learning something. Take care.